Creating realistic and immersive ambiences that you can control and shape can be done in an instant with Krotos Studio Pro. Check this out. I have this footage and I want to add the ambiences to it, and I want it to sound as realistic and as close to the footage as possible. So I'm going to use a frame from the footage. I'm just going to do a screen grab, and within the AI ambience generator in Krotos Studio, I can navigate to the screenshot that I just took, and it will generate a prompt based on the image. So we have autumn forest ambience, rustling leaves, chirping birds, and a gentle breeze. So directly from the footage, we've been able to generate a prompt that's really close to what we need. So now I'm going to hit generate, and we've got those four corners as a preset that I can now shape and tweak using the XY pads. So perhaps I want a little bit more of the breeze and less of the leaf rustling, and less of the bird chirping, but more of the forest. I'm just going to play back the footage. Okay, so I think that works with the scene. So now what we need to do is to get it into the projects. I need to look at the footage. I'm going to drag the playhead and see just how long of time I need for this footage. So it seems to peter out at about 26 seconds. So what I'm going to do is use the instant render feature. So I'm going to change from perform to render, and I'm going to set the time range to match the footage. So I'm going to do 27 seconds just to be on the safe side. And then I'm going to hit render. And now, like that, in a moment, we have 27 seconds worth of ambience that we can just drag into our project. It really is that quick. What I want to do is have full control over the four sections of the ambiences. So what I'm going to use is this multi-stem drag and drop. So what I do with this is I just click where it says drag stems, drag that into my project. And like that, I have 4 channels worth of ambiences that I can now use and control and shape within DaVinci. So if I play this back, maybe I want to turn the breeze down. Maybe I want more bird sound. And now I can shape the ambience based on the footage that I can see. So within a few moments, I've been able to save a huge amount of time. I managed to create an ambience preset that was custom and tailored to my project. I then managed to record it instantly in a matter of moments, and I could then drag that into my project as individual stems so I could customize and control it further. Try these features out in Krotos Studio Pro and see just how much time you can save in your projects.